Kickoff pros and cons. Kickoff offers an opportunity for rebuilding, or building, a positive credit score. It offers an interest-free line of credit that can be used within the Kickoff store only with low payments that will be reported to the credit bureaus monthly. With items that are affordable, many around $10, and payments that start as low as $2 per month, it allows for a low usage rates and lets you build a credit history, and by maintaining your account the history will increase. Pros. This product offers an opportunity for those who are starting to build a credit rating to begin with a small line of credit. For those who do not currently have a credit score or an open file with credit bureaus, and help build a good start to a credit score. No credit check is completed, allowing anyone to open an account. Limited spending to their store keeps you from running up large debts. Reporting to 2 credit bureaus each month offers steady credit score building. Low payments are easy to maintain. Payments are as low as $2 per month. Easy to maintain a low utilization score for this line of credit, which improves credit scores. Remains open until you close it, offering a great opportunity to build a long history of credit use. Rebuilds credit that has been damaged. Improved credit offers better interest rates with lenders, increased the odds of getting approved for mortgages and other loans. Improved likelihood of approval on a car loan with repaired credit. The factors that affect the credit score include the variety of credit being used, the length of time the account has been opened, with longer accounts improving the score faster, and using a small portion, under 30%, of the credit available. By opening a line of credit, you are creating a credit history and can keep the utilization percentage low due to the low-cost products that are offered for sale in the Kickoff store. Regular payments will improve the credit score and provide opportunities for better interest rates. Cons. Like any credit product, there are limitations and the chance of falling behind or damaging credit scores further. It also requires a regular payment be made, which must be remembered each month. For those who are busy and regularly forget payments, this would require attention each month. Missed payments would also be reported and result in lower credit scores. Regular payments must be made. Missed payments will lower credit scores. Limited items available for purchase with your line of credit may result in unwanted items or no activity on the account. Opening a new credit product can cause a short decrease in credit score, making it harder for someone who is needing additional credit quickly. Conclusion. This is an easy program for people who are building or rebuilding a credit score. With low payments, there is less chance of them being missed, and the reported payments on a low utilization score will help to improve the credit score.